Wow, meron siyang ano. Ganda-ganda. Ano niya, oh. This is... ano yung tawag dyan yan? Osmo?
Okay, let's do this food.
Bagong gising.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, cheers. Bagong angle.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
This way.
Oh, Angel. Yung bagong gupit to. Si Ace ang naggupit niyan.
What?
Init
Here?
na, no? Kasi, init na. Oh, let's cheers, cheers. Nakasingi ako ng malunggay. Ako malunggay today. Happy Monday. Kasi, wanna lose weight, Jel?
Yeah.
Look at say hi to 1 million viewer. This is my baby girl, Angel, drinking apple cider. I'm drinking 5-in-1 coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, 5-in-1. Healthy. Meron pa akong 7-in-1. Damn. Have a good sleep. It's nice to sleeping alone. Cheers.
Crazy. You're gonna sleep alone for the rest of your life.
Yes. I like it. I want my own space. Oh my God, so good. Coffee, so good. Parang remember yung Utah?
Utah?
Yeah, nag-Utah tayo nun. Yung hiking. Tingnan na ano sila dito. Lolo at lolo mo, no? Grabe, sumama sila, no?
You're there?
Yeah, yung long hike. Doon sa may river.
You're there?
Yeah. It's a nice car. I want mini RV that I could sleep. I could go. Gusto ko yung wheels, yung gulong niya mataas. Yan ang pangarap ko. Yung isa dito sa Pilipinas that I could ikot-ikot the whole Philippines. Parang bahay ni Jeep. Yan, bahay ni Jeep ni Antet, maganda yun. Tapos kailangan may driver. They make a lot of money. Imagine how many houses yung ginagawa. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Filipino yata to. It's a lot of money. Mayayaman yan, mga ganyan, no? Nililinis. Tawag dyan? Grass cut. Free chair. Yan, mga free chair. Can you get it?
No. Turn around.
Ay, na yun.
You know you don't get chairs when you get stuff?
Why?
They have like neutral. You don't know who sat in there.
I know. Unless you clean it.
No.
Really?
You can't clean.
Show them
There's
your
ghost.
ghost.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, you know.
Cheers.
Apple cider with calamansi.
Cheers. I'm in Paris right now.
Oh, you're in Paris. Oh, you dumb. Ay, sabi ko sana. Sa kalayba kayo.
Bruh.
No.
Dad,
I'm behaved today. I'm behaved.
Dad, have you heard of streetwear?
What's that?
Streaming.
Streaming?
Yeah, people making a lot of money with streaming.
Yeah, this is streaming.
No, but the actual app streaming. You go on that. You make a lot there.
Is that an app?
Yeah.
It's like what?
You go
The
live.
Yeah. The Restream. That's the Restream app. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yung Restream app yun.
Yeah.
It's free. You can do it in YouTube too. Di ba? Say ito yung drink. Thank you Lord. Ganyan. Sige nga, ito nga. Ito nga. She do this every day. It's a walk. Hindi, ganon.
Why are you laughing?
Hindi ka marunong eh.
No, because yours is hot.
No, I'm doing it even it's cold.
I want a truck.
Yeah. Hindi, hintay mo yung kay Mana, yung katabi natin, baka ibenta niya. The
Who?
old truck. Yung old truck niya. Di ba? Cheers! Happy Monday! Happy Monday! Init na. Let's walk up. Oh, tignan mo, ang lalaki oh.
What is that?
Well, look at the leaves.
Let me see.
Ang laki. Ang laki oh. Oh. Sama, maganda to sa harap. Malilim.
Okay. Go watch. You go, go.
Tignan mo yung ano niya.
Go, go.
Go daw. Go vlog siya. Vlogging the vlogger. Come on, Jeff.
Be the vlogger.
Hingi tayo ng malunggay. I want some malunggay. Jel, hingi tayo malunggay.
Wait, stay right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it
Sa alin?
in here.
Okay. Meron siyang Osmo.
Ready?
What?
What?
1, 2, 3.
It's like secret. It's hot.
Anong year yan? Anong binili mong... Ina nga, show mo nga dyan. Anong year? 2 years ago?
No.
What?
Last year?
Last year pa yan?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's because I didn't really use it.
Saan ka pa?
Are we done?
Anong time? Okay guys, this is what time is it now? Jel? Mainit na. Grabe. Yan.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, Leslie. Si Leslie. Hey, Laila. Say hi to Tita Laila. Tita Laila. Let's have a coffee. Nigo. Mainit, kapatid na Laila. Grabe ka, especially yesterday. Deliver ako ng lechon. Oh my God. Ang init. Yan, no? Yung mga aso nasa loob eh. Ilang degrees kahapon. Ingat kapatid, mainit. Tapos nagkakape ako. Siya nag-ano. Apple cider. O promote your ano pala, yung business mo. Instagram mo, meron siyang ito yung anak ko, meron siyang ano, anong tawag doon na? Yung party mo. business like if you have what? Tell them.
Picnic party.
Picnic party. Tapos yung mga small. Anong Instagram mo? Oni
Only that.
double N.
Mm-hmm.
Dire-diretso no.
Mm-hmm.
Search it up. Oni Events. Yan. ONNIE. Tapos events. Excuse me. Yun, yung mga small party sa beach, sa park. Yan, meron silang mga gamit sila yung yung kasama niya si Kiana. So Oni Events. Ting. Hindi nakalive pala.
Bruh. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Hi.
Mainit na. Bye-bye. Bye ka. Oni Events ha. Kapatid. LA area. LA area yung ano niya. ONNIE Events. Yan yung small pag may party sulat mo na. Party mga magpo-propose. Yan si Angel tsaka si Kiana. Oni Events sa Instagram. Right Angel? Instagram? Okay. Bye kapatid. Ingat.